Hello students, what do you want to be? When I ask this question from students, many of them come up with the specific answers. I want to be a doctor, engineer, fashion designer, lawyer, army officer or so and so. Great, so you have a dream to reach to a particular position. But as Dr. Kalam says, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. So put your hand on your heart and think, what exactly are you doing to accomplish your dreams? Are you utilizing your time and resources properly? Are you taking your studies seriously? Are you working on skills that are necessary in that field? For so many students, the answer is no. That means you are waiting for a miracle to happen and make your dreams come true and change your life. Sorry to say, but in this way you will be nowhere. It is simple. If you want to change, you got to change. If you want life to be better, you have got to get better. If you want to do great things with your life, you are going to have to make a great effort. That will probably mean putting in more hours, getting outside your comfort zone and learning as much as you can to achieve as much as you can. For that, you have to put first thing first. It means that you are going to do the most important and urgent thing first before you focus on doing anything else. When you study, getting the most out of it is your priority than to check mobile phone for messages. So identify your priorities and do whatever it takes to succeed. Second, be proactive. A proactive person is a can-do person. An assertive person who makes things happen rather than passive person who waits for things to happen. Begin by taking control of your time, your most valuable asset. View every class session as a learning opportunity not to be wasted. Attend classes regularly, participate in a meaningful way, take notes and stay up to date with your assignments. Third, begin with end in mind. Begin at the end in mind means that you must use your imagination and figure out what steps are needed to get from the present to the desired future. For example, if you want to become a lawyer, which subject, how much percentage, what competitive exam score and what other skills you will require to get there. It is about starting things with a clear idea of your destination so that the steps you take are always in the right direction. Fourth, do not copy other people, make them copy you. There are many students who are confused or influenced by other people. Students, if you don't know who you are, what potentials you have, you will always try to be someone else. And thus, you will never be the best. Your work will always be a cheap imitation. So focus on what you can do to improve yourself instead of comparing yourself to other people. Keep growing, set goals and move forward, maybe one step at a time. Remember, it does not matter how slowly we go. What matters is that we keep going.